Very good evening, friends. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Remaining members also will join the session. Hello. Now, team, very good evening. We are from CareerIT. Around we have the 12 years of experience in a training field, and we trained more than 1 lakh students, and we placed thousands of students across multiple companies. And at present, CareerIT collaborated with around 250 plus companies across the India. Fine. So this is the brief introduction about ourselves. Fine. Now, team, coming to the web technologies. Now, let me create a new folder. I will share this folder with you people. Yeah. Team, see this one. All the students see this one. Web technologies. Fine. Coming to the web technologies, what we will cover. Initially, we will cover HTML. Fine. After completing the HTML, we will cover CSS. After completion of CSS, then we will cover JavaScript. Fine. After successful completion of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we will cover one end-to-end project. Fine. We will cover one project. Fine. Let me cover one end-to-end project. Related to this project related to say this one here, e-commerce domain or healthcare domain, or banking domain here. Fine. And we will host that project. We will host that project with cloud. Which cloud we need to cover? AWS cloud, AWS or Microsoft Azure or open servers are there. That is the Netlify or Heroku server. So many open source servers are available. Then we need to host it. Fine. These courses we will cover as part of our training. Fine. Now, someone asked the question, Carry team at the end, I will answer the questions. I hope you can get the clarity. Like point by point, you people can get the clarity here. Now, team say this one. Initially, we need to cover what? HTML. Next, we need to cover what? CSS. Next, we need to cover what? JavaScript. Then, we need to cover one of project also. The project also in e-commerce domain or healthcare domain or banking domain. After successful completion of the project, then I wanted to host that project into either AWS server or Microsoft Azure or Netlify or Heroku. Fine. Now, students see this one. Now, what is HTML? Now, try to observe this one here. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for what? Hypertext Markup Language. Now try to say this one. Why HTML? Observe this one here. HTML is used to build web pages. Assume this one. Just to take the Flipkart. Now, is it a web page? Yes, team, this is one web page here. To build these kind of web pages, for example, if we take the Amazon website. Now see this one. This is the web page. To build these kind of web pages, we will use HTML. Fine. Now see this one here. HTML used to build static web pages. Fine. Team see this one. So what is the current version? The current version is the HTML 5.x. Students, whoever there in the live, you people need to reply. Fine. What is the current version, team? HTML 5.x. Fine. Now, students see this one. And another thing is the, let me go through the another thing here. And one more thing is the CSS. Fine. What is the CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Fine. Why CSS? Coming to the CSS. Students, what is the background color we are able to see? Like light yellow, na? And here what is the background color? Black color. What is the text color? Students, tell me what is the text color? White color, na? White color. To apply these kind of styles, we will use CSS. Fun. Mahesh Babu Kanaparthi. Fun. Now try to say this one here. CSS used to apply styles. Fun. So what kind of styles? Like example is the color. Next one is the background color. Next one is the font size. Next one is the font family. Like this also, so many colors are there. Correct. Team, what is the current version? The current version is the CSS 3.x. The latest version of CSS is CSS 3.x. Fine. Now see the another thing here, and one more thing is the what is the another thing? JavaScript. Let me go to the JavaScript. Fine. Why JavaScript? JavaScript used to develop dynamic web pages, not static web pages. Then I will let you know. Fine. Students see this one. If I click a login button, here we have the login button now. Yes or not? Here we have the login button. Whenever we click a login button, some action will be performed or not. Some action will be performed. Performing these kind of actions we can call dynamic web pages. To develop these kind of dynamic web pages, we will use JavaScript. Fine. Students, not only that one. For example, here we need to enter the mobile number now. Either email address or mobile number we need to enter. Without entering email or mobile number, I wanted to click request OTP. Then automatically validation triggered na. Here validation triggered. Which validation? Please enter valid email ID or mobile number. To trigger validation messages also, then we will use JavaScript. Fine. Students, am I right? JavaScript used to develop dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages perform some action, not static. Here we need to perform some action. Mahesh Babu Kanaparth respond here. We need to perform some action. In order to perform some action, then we need to go for the JavaScript. So that is a point number one. Point number two, JavaScript also used to implement validations. Now say this one. Which validation message? Here we have the validation message. Please enter valid email ID or mobile number. Yes or not? But now try to see this one. For example, JavaScript used to develop dynamic web pages. Fine. And another thing, JavaScript also used to implement forms validations. Team say this one. What is the current version? Current version is ES13. ES13. So this is the current version. So students say this one. What is ES? ES stands for ECMAScript. They're coming to ES. ES stands for ECMAScript. Fine. Now see this one. So what is ECMA? What is ECMA? ECMA stands for European Computers Manufacturing Association. So this is the brief introduction which is related to JavaScript. Fun. Students see this fun here. Fun. As part of our training, initially we will cover HTML. Team, why HTML? Used to develop what? Static web pages. Fun. Students, what is the latest version? Latest version is the HTML 5.x. Next one. And another thing, how to apply the styles? To apply the styles, then we will use the CSS. What we need to use? CSS. 1 second. See this one. We will use CSS. And example, what are the examples? Color, text color, background color, font size, font family, so many things. And another thing, what is the current version? And here we have the current version here. The current version is a CSS 3.x is the current version. Next one, students, how to develop dynamic web pages. To develop dynamic web pages, we will use JavaScript. Not only dynamic web pages, and we will implement validations also. And current version is the What is the current version? Current version is the ES13 care. And ES stands for what? ECMAScript. And ECMA stands for what? European Computers Manufacturing Association. So this is the full form of ECMA. But now, as part of our training, we will build some real-time applications also. Then I will show that real-time applications. Let me go to the some real-time applications I need to show here. So see this one here. Now we need to build some real-time applications also. So this kind of applications, and we will build these type of applications, and we will host this application into servers, and we will keep these projects into our resumes also. Fine. Around we have the 100 plus projects are there. Around 100 plus projects are there. All the projects we will share it to you. Yeah, like this also so many projects, friends. Yeah. Now say this one again. So many use cases we have. Then in a classroom itself, we will develop one project, and I will develop one project. We will host that project. And after completing the project, then we will assign independent projects to you. And you people need to develop one project. You people need to host the project. While facing, if you people are feeling like any difficulty, we are ready with you to support you. And another thing, say this one, so many projects are there. Not one or two projects, and a number of projects are there. So as part of, even though if it is a free training, you people have some assumptions. So will you cover that one? Will you cover this one? No, I think we will cover entire end to end course. We will cover these training will helpful to crack the interviews also. That is our assurance. Fine. Now here we have so many things are there. Fine. So this is the course agenda. Now see this fun thing. Initially, once again I'm revising here, whoever joined the later. Initially we will cover HTML. After completing the HTML, we will cover CSS. After completing the CSS, then we will cover JavaScript also. Fine. Next one. And after completing the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, any one of the project we need to cover. We have so many use cases. We have the number of use cases here. So whatever the project you people want to do, then we will take the poll from you people. Then we need to do the project here. Fine. Next one. So this is the course agenda. Fine. Now let me go to the some basic examples. Fine. Coming to the HTML. Students, can you tell, is HTML tag-based markup language? Answer. Is HTML tag-based markup language? Yes, HTML is the tag-based markup language. Yes, everyone need to take the answers with the chat. And whoever watching in the YouTube, then try to chat with us. I'm requesting you people need to chat with us. Whoever watching in the YouTube, I'm requesting you people need to chat in the YouTube. And not only that one, I'm requesting you people need to subscribe to our YouTube channel also, because we will upload these videos to the YouTube itself. It will be permanent, and it will be helpful to you. Fine. Now try to observe this one. For example, here we have so many tags are there. Assume here we have the P tag. P tag, coming to the P tag, P tag is used to display paragraphs. In order to display paragraphs, then we need to go for the P tag. Next one, this one. For example, we have the H1 tag. H1 tag is used to display main heading. Very important. Coming to the H1 tag, H1 tag is used to display main heading here. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the try to say the another thing. For example, how to display the table. I want to display the table here. To display the table here. Once again, team. Table tag. Coming to the table tag. And here we have the table tag here. Table tag is used to display the tables. Coming to the table tag is used to display the tables. Once again, team. Yeah, next one. And another thing is the now we need to go to one more tag. Which tag? The tag is the form tag. Students say this one. Why form tag? Form tag is used to display forms. Fun. Can you tell the examples also? I'm requesting you people need to chart with me here. Examples are. And another thing is the now we need to go to one more tag. Which tag? No. Observe this one. Here, login form. Next one is the registration form. And one more thing is the enrollment form. Like this also, so many forms. By using form tag, we are able to display the forms. I'm requesting all the people, you people need to join you people need to send the messages to me. Fine. And another thing is the try to say the one more tag. And one more tag is the iframe tag. We have one more tag here. The tag is the which tag? Iframe tag. Fine. Why iframe tag? Iframe tag is used to display Google Maps. Google Maps. Next one. Open PDF files. I want to open a PDF files. In order to open PDF files also in HTML pages, we will use iframe tag. Not only that one. Include one web page to another web page. Another web page. I wanted to include one web page to another web page. Then we will use iframe tag. Next one. Not only that one. It is used to open Wikipedia files also. Like Wikipedia files means React official website, React Wikipedia, Angular Wikipedia, Java Wikipedia, Python Wikipedia. So many Wikipedia files will be there. It is used to open the Wikipedia files also. Fun. And like this also, so many advantages are there. Like YouTube videos also. It is used to play what? It is used to play YouTube videos also. So that is the advantage of the iframe thing. Very, very important while developing the real-time projects. Very, very important students. So this one here. For example, the first one is the iframe tag is used to implement Google Maps. Is used to open the Google Maps. Iframe tag also used to open PDF files. Next one. Used to include one web page to another web page and use it to open Wikipedia files and use it to play YouTube videos also. Like this also so many things are there. Number of advantages are there. Fun. While developing any real-time project, iframe tag is very, very important. Fun. Next one. Here we have another thing here, break tag, BR tag. So I hope you people know that fun here. Fun. See this fun here and another thing. Yeah, and another thing is the now say this one BR tag. Coming to the BR tag is used to create a line breaker kind of thing. Next one, line breaker. Coming to the HR tag. HR tag is used to draw the horizontal line. Horizontal line. Otherwise, we can call horizontal rule also. Horizontal rule also. Fine. Like this also we have the number of tags are there. N number of tags are there. Fine. Now, say this one and one more point I need to tell you. You people need to understand this one. Okay? Very, very important. Fine. Next one. Here, do you know IDE team? Students, do you know IDE? Respond. Do you know IDE? IDE stands for what? ID stands for what? Anyone? ID stands for what? You people need to chat with me because already you know this one. ID stands for what? Integrated. Integrated answer. Integrated development. Integrated development environment. ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. Fine. IDE is used to develop applications. If you want to develop any application, IDE is mandatory. Fine. Students, which IDE is suggested IDE? VS Code IDE. I hope you people are calling like VS Code means Visual Studio Code. Fine. Team, students, can you tell which company provided the VS Code? VS Code provided by the Microsoft company. Students, is it a open source IDE? Answer, is it a open source IDE? Yes. Whatever the VS Code IDE we have, that VS Code IDE is the open source IDE. Happily, we are able to use. Not only in the student environment, in the companies also, in the real-time world also, VS Code is the suggested IDE. Fine. And another thing. And another thing is the, now we need to go to the another thing here. And one more thing is the coming to the extensions also. Students, please tell me, is it reachable to you? Is it reachable to you, or do I need to go slow? Just let me know. You people need to chat with me. In the Zoom, around 100 plus members are there. In the YouTube also, so many members are watching. Whoever watching in the YouTube, I'm requesting you people. Coming to the extensions and whoever watching in the YouTube, you people need to comment based on your requirement whether I need to go for slow or speed. I can increase it. Fine. Next one. Coming to the extensions. While saving HTML pages, extension must be .html or .htm. Any extension we can use, either .html extension or .htm extension. While saving CSS files, we want to use .css extension. While saving JavaScript files, we need to use .js extension. Yes or not? Now see this one. These are the possible extensions. These are the possible extensions for HTML pages. This is the extension for CSS files. And this is the extension for the JavaScript files. Remember that one. And another thing. And another thing is the, let me go through the another thing also, comments. I hope you people know the comments. Why comments? Commented code won't executed by browser. Browsers won't executes won't executes comments. Never. Browsers never execute the comments. But what is the use of comment? Comments increases application readability. In order to increase application readability, then we need to go for the comment. Fine. Next one. Say this one here. Now, coming to the HTML comment, I need to go to the HTML comment. Students, if you know, please chat with me. Already, if you know, you people need to chat with me here. Please try to chat with me here. Coming to the HTML comment. So, this is the syntax of the HTML comment. Fine. Whatever the code we are writing here, we will write some HTML code. This code won't to executed by browsers. And what is the use of comment? What is the use of comment? Comments indirectly increases the application readability. Fine. Next one. Coming to the CSS. What are the syntaxes for the CSS? In the CSS, what is the syntax? The syntax is this is the syntax. Slash star and star slash. This is the CSS comment syntax. Now, coming to the JavaScript. JavaScript supports two types of comments. Students, how many types of comments? Two types of comments. Fine. First one is the single line comment. First one is the single line comment. So how to represent single line comment? Fine. Here, how to represent, say this one here, slash slash. This one we can call single line comment here. Next one. Second one is the multi-line comment. Second one is the multi-line comment. How to represent multi-line comment here? We should be in a position we need to represent multi-line comment. So whatever the comment we have, this one we can call the multi-line comment. Fine. Students, I'm revising all the points again here. Then we need to go for the practical program directly. Fine. Listen here, you people need to listen here. What is HTML? HTML used to develop static web pages. And what is the latest version? HTML 5.x. Next one. Students, see the another thing here. What is a CSS? CSS stands for cascading style sheet. CSS used to apply styles. And what is the current version? Current version is the CSS 3.x. Next one. And another thing. Coming to the JavaScript. JavaScript used to develop dynamic web pages. And JavaScript also used to implement forms validations. Next one, and another thing. And another thing is the which IDE is suggested IDE? VS Code IDE. VS Code IDE is the suggested IDE here. And is it a open source IDE, students? Yes, this is the open source IDE here. And what are the possible extensions? What are the possible extensions? For the HTML, we need to place .html or .htm. For the CSS files, we need to use the extension. Which extension? .css. For the JavaScript files, we need to use the .js extension. And another thing, comments increases readability. This is related to HTML comment. This is related to CSS comment. JavaScript supports two types of comments. One is the single line comment and another thing is the multi-line comment. Fine. Now say this one. And another thing is the what is the structure of the web page. Fine. Try to say this one. What is the structure of the web page here? Initially we have doc type. Here we have what we have here. Here we have the doc type here. Yes, Pooja JS means a JavaScript. Next one, doc type. Below the doc type, we have the root section. Students, whoever watching in the YouTube, I'm requesting you people, please comment. Once if you comment, then we will share the any answers. If you need any answers, we are ready to share it. One root section. Root section divided into what? Divided into head section. Second one is the what is the second one? Second one is the body section. One. Why head section? Head section is used to define metadata. Why body section is used to define main content. In order to define main content, then we will use the body section here. Fine. Now, students just observe this one here. Now, so coming to the doc type. So what is the doc type? Doc type representing the version. Whose version? HTML version. And how to create root section? I wanted to create a root section. To create root section, then we need to use the HTML tag. HTML tag is used to create root section. Root section. Students, all the people, not one or two members. I'm requesting all the people. Everyone need to engage in the class. Everyone need to be happy in the class. Everyone need to answer the session. Now, tell me here, everyone need to chat with me here. Next one. How to create head section. To create a head section, then here we have head tag. Head tag is used to coming to the head tag is used to define the head section. And another thing, how to define metadata. Metadata means what? Data about web page. Data about web page like title, author, description, version, like this also so many things are. Then that one we can call metadata. Next one, how to define body section. We will define body section with the help of which tag? With the help of which tag? Body tag. Body tag is used to define body section here. And main content means what? Main content means tables. Tables which one? Paragraphs. Next one is what? Headings. headings. Next one is the and another thing. What is another thing here? Forms, and like this also so many things. So this one we can call structure of the web page. Students, please listen again. Care whoever attending the first time, care whoever feeling the difficulty. No, initial what we have doc type. What is doc type? Doc type indirectly representing the HTML version. And how to create a root section? To create a root section, here we have HTML tag. Here simply we have one tag here. Then that tag we can call root section. Here we have the root section here. And another thing is the now how to create a header section. In order to create a header section, then we have the header tag here. Fine. Data about a web page. We can call coming to the data about a web page. What do you call? We can call the metadata. Fine. Example for the metadata: title. Title. Next one is the title. Next one is the author, description, version. Like this also so many things are there. And another thing, how to define a body section. Here we have the body tag. We have what is the main content: tables, paragraphs, headings, forms. Under these things we can call, what do you call these things? We can call main content. So this is the brief introduction which is related to web technologies. Fine. Now students, let me create one HTML page. Now I'm ready to create one HTML page. So how to create HTML page? Say this one here. Here the HTML page is the session1.html. I want to create one HTML page. Then that HTML page we can call session1.html page. Fine. I want to create one CSS file also. Let me create the CSS file. Which is CSS file? The CSS file is the session1.css file. Students, how many files we created? We created the, please respond. You people need to chat with me. Please try to chat with me. You people need to chat with all the people who ever watching on the YouTube also. I'm requesting you people, please do the chat with me. Fun. How many files we created? Two files we created. One is for session1.html and another thing is the session1.css file. Now observe this one. Can now here split the window. I want to split the window here. Let me split the window here. Now left side which file we have? Session1.html. Right side which file we have? Session1.css file. In the VS Code we have the split option. Through the split option we can split the window also. Fine. Now initially do we have any doc type? Say yes or no. Do we have any doc type, students? Yes or not? Yes, we have the doc type. So say this one. Less than, not to doc type, HTML. Students, this one we can call HTML5 version. Line number 1 representing HTML5 version. Fun. Who will understand? Browser will understand. And if I forget to place it, browser automatically places the doc type. For example, some people they're forget to place it. Even though if you forget, browser automatically places the doc type. Got it or not? Fine. This doc type representing which version? Students, tell me. This doc type representing which version? Chat with me, YouTube people who are watching on the YouTube. This doc type representing which version? HTML5. Fine. Is it a default to doc type? Is it a default to doc type? All the people, yes or no? Yes, this is the default doc type. Yes or not? Fine. And another thing, how to display root, how to create a root section, HTML. Fine. Root section, divide it into what? Head section. Second section is the body section. First section is the head section and second section is the body section. Fine. Coming to the head section. Coming to the head section, how to define the title? Title here. Title, any title. We can place any title here. Now say this one, CareerIT. CareerIT, here I need to place the session 1. CareerIT Web Technology session 1. We can place anything, not an issue here. Now, I wanted to link, students say this one. I wanted to link a CSS file to whatever the CSS file we have. Here, do we have the CSS file here? Yes, we have the CSS file. Which is CSS file? Session1.css file. I have one CSS file. Now, link this CSS file to HTML file. Whatever the CSS file we have, that is CSS file, I want to link to HTML file. If you want to link CSS file to HTML file, if you want to link, then we have one tag, then that tag we can call link tag. Link tag is used to link CSS file to HTML file. Students say this one here. Now it will support two attributes. Supported how many attributes? It will support two attributes. First attribute is the relation attribute. Relation equal to what? Relation equal to style sheet. Say this one. So this is the attribute one. Attributes enhances functionality. Fine. Here we have attribute two. What is the attribute two? href. href equal to name of the CSS file. Name of the CSS file. Students, tell me what is the name of the CSS file? Session1.css file. Do you catch my file or not? Do you catch my point or not? How to link a CSS file? To link a CSS file, we have one tag. Then that tag we can call link tag. Link tag supports how many attributes? Two attributes. First attribute is the relation attribute. Second attribute is the href attribute. One. Whoever attending the first time. If few people are feeling a little difficulty here, then I need to repeat it again. Do I need to repeat or do I need to continue? YouTube people, whoever watching the YouTube, I'm expecting some comments from you. Based on your information, then I need to continue. Whoever watching on the YouTube, please reply. In the Zoom also, whoever attending the Zoom also. Can I continue, team? Fine. Pavitra, which one I need to repeat here? You were asking. Like how to link a CSS file. Pavitra, do we have the CSS file here? Yes. Yes or not? Link CSS file to HTML file. To link CSS file to HTML file. I wanted to link one file to another file. To link it. Then we have the link tag. Got it or not? Fine. Students say this one. Let me go through the Google here. I need to go through the Google. Try to go through the Google. After going through the Google here, now open the Google Maps. I want to open the Google Maps here. Fine. Just let me open the Google Maps here. Simply, I want to open the Google Maps. I want to open the Google Maps. In the Google Maps, I want to search CareerIT. Let me search with the CareerIT. And students see this one. Do we have any share option here? Reply say yes or no in the chat box. You people need to tell. Do we have any share option? Yes, we have the share option. Now, and the students see this one. Do we have any MBDM map? Yes, we have the MBDM map here. And do we have any copy HTML? Yes, we have the copy HTML here. Click the copy HTML. After that, we need to place it. Whatever the code we copied here, that code we need to place it. Whatever the code we copied, students, just to copy and paste. Don't to do any changes in the code. We are not allowed to do any changes in the code here. Fun. And one more thing. Is the now. If you are interested, then you people need to delete. Width property, height property. Then you are allowed to delete width property and height property and style property also. And style properties also. Then you are allowed to delete only width, iframe width, iframe height, iframe width, and iframe height, and internal and inline styles also. Fine. Now, students say this one. Coming to the CSS code. Then this is the CSS code here. Apply styles to whom? Iframe now. Assume I want to apply styles to the iframe. Now, see this one. How much width you people wanted to maintain? Width of iframe is the 500 pixel. And width of iframe is the height of the iframe is the I wanted to maintain 500 pixel. And I wanted to draw border also. Border equal to I wanted to maintain 2 pixel solid gray color. Say this one. I want to apply my own styles. I don't want to go for the predefined styles here. And another thing, space around the content. I have Google Map content is there na. Space around the content. Around the content, technically we can call padding. Technically what we call padding. Padding equal to I wanted to maintain some 30 pixel. Space around the content. Team space around the content. Technically we can call padding. Next one. And another thing. I wanted to maintain border radius also. Border radius equal to, I think we have the borders now. Border radius equal to, I wanted to place the 30 pixel. Fine. Students, let me run the code. I wanted to run the code. So how to run the HTML code? Here we will run HTML code with the help of browsers. So how to run it? Right click, open with live server. Yes, students, are we able to open the Google Map? Try to say this one. Are we people able to maintain the Google Map? Yes or not? So this is the CareerIT address na. This is a CareerIT address available in the Hyderabad, Kukatpally and Hyderabad here. Fine. Now, and I'm requesting all the people, please subscribe to YouTube channel. In the YouTube channel, I will upload all the videos. Fine. I'm requesting all the people. And another point is the even though free training, we will cover end to end also. With the help of this knowledge, you people are able to attend the interviews also. Fine. And related materials, FAQs, and company related information, complete everything we will post with the YouTube channel here. So that's why I'm requesting you people need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Fine. Let me share the YouTube channel also. Then I need to knowledge. YouTube you people also are able to attend the interviews also. Fine. And related materials, FAQs, and company related information, complete everything we will fine. Post with now the YouTube channel here. So that's why I'm requesting you people need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me share the YouTube channel also. Then I need to search YouTube. Also are able to attend the interviews also. No, this is our YouTube channel. Related materials, FAQs, and company related information, complete everything we will post with now this channel here. So that's why I'm requesting you people need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me see the YouTube channel. So then I need to search YouTube. Also are able to attend the interviews also. So this is our YouTube channel here. So this is our YouTube channel. Let me share our channel here. There itself videos also there. Then I'm requesting you people need to subscribe this one. And another thing is the, are we able to play YouTube videos? Response students, are we able to place, are we able to play YouTube video? Yes. Now say this one. Do we have any share option? And another thing. And students, do we have any share option in the YouTube? Respond. Yes, in the YouTube we have the share option. Yes. Fine. Now students see this one. Do we have any embed option? Respond. Do we have any embed option? Yes, we have the embed option. And do we have any copy HTML? Yes, we have the copy HTML. We need to copy the HTML here and go to your HTML code. Simply, I need to go to my HTML code. This is our HTML code now. Then place that code. Whatever the code we copied here. I'm requesting you people need to place the code here. Complete code I need to place it. And we are allowed, now say this one, we are allowed to delete what? Width property, because we are applying width with the help of CSS. And we are allowed to delete what? Height property, remove the height property also. Fine. And we are allowed to delete what? Any internal styles, any not internal, inline styles. Do we have any inline styles? No inline styles. Run our HTML code again here. I want to run our HTML code again. Yes, students say this one. This is the Google Map na. Respond. This is the Google Map na. Yes, this is the YouTube. Internal inline styles. Say this have just inline styles. Now I'm taking the live session na. That live session also we are able to include into our web page. Whatever the live session we have, that live session also we are able to include to our HTML pages. So that is the power of HTML. As a real-time developer, you people need to know this information, not only paragraphs, not only headings here. So this is the information here. Next one. And another thing is the, not only that one, students, are we able to open the PDF files? Respond. Are we people able to open the PDF files? Yes, we are able to open the PDF files also. Let me check my laptop whether I have any PDF file or not. I need to check it here. Let me open the PDF file whether I have any PDF file or not. I need to check it again. Or any one of the PDF file. We are ready to open. We are ready to send any PDF file, not an issue here. Yes, say this one, students. Now, this is the PDF file and this is the PDF file. Then we can open this PDF file also. Whatever the PDF file we have here, this PDF file also we are able to open. Copy this PDF file, go to your project, go to your VS Code. I want you to go to our VS Code. Yes, this is the VS Code. Now, close this file. Yes, this is the VS Code. Paste to that file here. Whatever the file we copied here. The file not copied now. Wait here. Students, let me copy the file again here. This is the PDF file we have. Copy this file and paste to that file to your folder. What is our folder? Web folder. Paste it. Why we are unable to paste it here? Wait. At least to do the drag and drop of this one. Yes, we have the PDF file. Now go to your VS Code again here. I want you to go to our VS Code again here. Try to have a look into our VS Code again. So this is our VS Code. Here we have the PDF file now. Students, do we have the PDF file? Yes, we have the PDF file. Now open that PDF file. I want to open that PDF file. Now let me open the PDF file here. Now let me take iframe tag. Iframe source equal to what is the name of the PDF file? HTML underscore nodes.pdf file and run the code. And we need to run the code again here. Yes, students say this one. Are we able to open the PDF file? This is our PDF file now. Yes, this PDF file contains complete information which is related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Fine. Can you please say yes or no kind of thing here? No. Are we able to include Google Maps? Are we able to include Google Maps? Respond. Yes. Say yes or no. Yes. And are we able to include YouTube videos? Students respond. Are we able to include YouTube videos? Yes. Are we able to open PDF files? Yes or no? Chat with me. Google, I think whoever watching on the YouTube, you people need to chat with me here. Yes or not? Fine. Yeah. Today is the first session. Slowly, I will increase the session here. Fine. Students, are you enjoying the session? Say yes or no. Are you learning something? Even if you're the fresher here, even if you don't have any knowledge, just let me know. Say yes or no. Are you learning something? Are you happy with this one? Can I go with the same style? Say yes or no. Everyone in the class, around 200 plus members are there. All the members need to say yes or no. All the members need to say yes or no here. Fine. Can I go with the same tempo? Yes. Fine. Let me say few important points which is related to career IT here. Fine. Students, even though if we are asking, even if we are offering free trainings here, we will cover end to end. We won't compromise with the content. We will assure you once if you prepare these sessions, definitely you can attend the interviews also. Fine. And coming to the content or videos or there is materials, whatever it may be, just to subscribe to our YouTube channel here, just to subscribe to our YouTube channel or in Instagram or under LinkedIn here, then you can get the complete information here. Yes or not? Not only that one, we are running career IT from the past 12 years onwards, students. We placed more than thousands of people in the different companies in the across the India. I think you can check the people as you can check our portfolio also. Next one, not only that one, we trained lakhs of students from the past 12 years onwards. But definitely, we will assure you, definitely we will do the quality training, even the free sessions. Even the free sessions here, we never compromise with the content here. All the information, complete information which is related to industry. Industry requires what in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, 100% we will cover it. Okay, na? Are you happy? Are you happy, students? Yes, fun. Students, I'm requesting you people, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then in the YouTube channel, then we will post the PDF files. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel here, YouTube. Next one is the Instagram, LinkedIn, and everything. Everything. I'm requesting you people. Please subscribe to our channel here. Once if you subscribe, then you can get the videos. You never miss any content here. Not only that one, new batches related information, and we are offering wide variety of courses team students, and we are offering full stack Java and full stack .NET and full stack Python and full stack Mariner stack also. Mariner stack also we will cover data science. We will cover the data science also. Data science, so Gen AI, agentic AI, and cyber security. Almost all the courses we are covering. And not only that one, you can check our placement records also. We placed thousands of students across multiple companies across the India here. So you can check our portfolio also. Okay, na? Fine. And if you have any information, students, if you need any information regarding the material, the class link or anything here, you can call to CareerIT people. Then all the people are engaged here to give the answers to you. Okay, na? Fine. And class timing at 6 o'clock. Never. Class timing is a 6 o'clock here. Never join late. 100% the class will start at 6 o'clock. Fine. And 2024 people also eligible here. Eligible. 2024, 25, 26. All the years. So like not only 24, 23 people also eligible to attend this course. Okay. Okay, na? Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is the complete material we will share. Please, if you need any information, just to reach the career IT and all the admins and all the management, everyone accessible to you. Then they will get the complete information to you. Okay, na? Fine. And please subscribe to channel itself, a channel and a LinkedIn. And for information itself, I'm saying the information itself here. Like if you need any placement related information or anything here, you can get the complete information. So that's why I'm requesting you people join the YouTube channel and Insta page and Facebook and everything you people need to join. Okay, na? Fine. Now class at 6 o'clock. Exactly 6 o'clock. I don't want you to wait for the 1 minute also. Sharply the class will start 6 o'clock. 6 to 7 or 6 to 7:15 we will take the session. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you, students. Or if you have any questions, then you can raise the questions. Then I'm ready to give the answer. And whoever happy here, then send the thumbs up symbol with the WhatsApp chat, thumbs up symbol in the like in the Zoom chat and YouTube also. Just send the some symbols in the YouTube here. Then we are happy here. All the people are eligible. Someone asking like 20, 23 people eligible or not? Yes, you people are eligible. In the YouTube also, whoever watching on YouTube, I'm requesting you people, please send some symbols also here. Then students, we never compromise. CareerIT never compromise with the quality of the training care. Quality of the training care, definitely industry related content we will share it. Fine. Every day same link here and YouTube link to get YouTube link here. Then join with our WhatsApp group also. Join with our WhatsApp group and a live group, live link we will share it to you. And if you subscribe to our channel here, you can see the live link also. Fine. Someone raising the question, sir, I'm the 2020 passed out. Am I eligible? Software need the skill. Software never care about your career. For example, even the 2020 also, if you want to join like fresher, if you have the skill, the companies are ready to hire you. Remember that point. Software is always giving the respect to the skilled people. Remember that point here. Someone raising the question, sir, I'm the 2020 past. It doesn't matter. If you have the skill, if you're interested to join like a fresher, the companies are ready to hire you. So that's our information. Everyone, students, I think if you are happy here, then send the thumbs up mail here, thumbs up message. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you, students. Yes, second year, all the people, Grishma, all the people are eligible. Thank you, students. Bye bye. And tomorrow we need you to meet at 6 o'clock. Can I end the meeting? Yes. Thank you, students.